The Nikon D4 is a professional DSLR that excels at sports and action photography. It has a 16MP full-frame sensor that can shoot up to ISO 200 for 1800. A fast 11 FPS continuous shooting speed, a large buffer, and a durable metal body. The D4 offers superb image quality, especially in low light, and has advanced features such as face recognition, autofocus, focal length tracking, auto ISO, and dual card slots. The D4 is a specialized tool that is designed for serious needs and high performance. Some of the drawbacks of the D4 are its high price, its bulky size and weight. The Nikon D4 is a professional-grade full-frame digital single-lens reflex camera that was announced by Nikon Corporation on January 6, 2012. It is the successor to the Nikon D3S and was designed to be a high-performance camera for professional photographers in a variety of fields, including sports, news, and wildlife. The D4 has a 16.2 megapixel FX format CMOS sensor that is capable of shooting at up to 11 frames per second with continuous autofocus. It has a wide ISO range of 101 to 800, which can be expanded to 5020 for 800. The D4 also has a 51-point autofocus system that is capable of tracking subjects in low-light conditions. In addition to its impressive performance, the D4 also has a number of other features that make it a popular choice for professional photographers. These features include rugged and weather-sealed body, a large and bright viewfinder, a dual memory card system, a built-in Ethernet port for wired file transfer, a variety of video recording options, including 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Nikon D4 is a powerful and versatile camera that is well suited for a wide range of professional applications. It is a popular choice for photographers who need a camera that can perform well in challenging conditions and capture high-quality images in a variety of lighting situations. Pros: excellent image quality, even in low light. Fast continuous shooting speed with autofocus. Wide ISO range, rugged and weather-sealed body. Large and bright viewfinder. Dual memory card system, built-in Ethernet port. Variety of video recording options. Cons: large and heavy. Expensive, but bargains are available at used camera stores and eBay. Video quality is not as good as some newer cameras. Overall, the Nikon D4 is a professional-grade DSLR camera that offers excellent image quality, fast performance, and a wide range of features. It is a good choice for photographers who need a camera that can handle the most demanding shooting conditions. Is the Nikon D4 still worth buying in 2023? The Nikon D4 is a 10-year-old camera, so it is not the most advanced camera on the market. However, it is still a very capable camera that can produce excellent image quality. If you are looking for a professional-grade DSLR camera that is built to last, the Nikon D4 is a good option to consider. However, if you are looking for a camera with the latest features, such as 4K video recording and a high-resolution sensor, you may want to consider a newer camera. There are a number of excellent full-frame mirrorless cameras available in 2023, such as the Nikon Z9 and the Canon EOS R5. Ultimately, the best camera for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. If you are looking for a professional-grade DSLR camera with excellent image quality and performance, the Nikon D4 is a good option to consider. However, if you are looking for a camera with the latest features, you may want to consider a newer camera.
Artists and photographers. These images are unedited. They have only been tweaked for exposure. Any of these images can be used copyright-free by artists.